Hey guys, welcome to the Active channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your Pinterest board public. So let's go to Pinterest first. Now you have to do one thing is click on this profile icon, then scroll down and you'll find your boards here. Click on your board, and now if you want to make this board private, you have to just click on this three dot icon, then click on edit board, and you'll find here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find here keep this board secret. You have to leave this unchecked. Okay, don't check it. If you want to make this public, now click on done. Alright, your board is now on public. Okay guys, another thing you can do is, like I'm showing, here's no board yet, so I'm showing another. Log in Pinterest first. I'm showing the first. Three dot icon on top, your profile icon here, then you'll find two boards or boards here, all of your boards. Click on your board, click on this three dot, go edit board, scroll down, leave this unchecked, don't check it, just uncheck, click on done. Your board is on public right now. So guys, this is how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.